Hello everyone, welcome all. Today we will be going to discuss about the basic menu settings that will include CT ratios, PT ratios, date, time, load bar graph, connection schemes. So let's get started. We'll see the current running load of the HT motor, and we have to press this button. You will see the status display and the menu where you can review the settings, and finally the menu where you can change the setting. First we are going to let's check our CT ratio. You can see here that the nameplate shows CT ratio is 75:1, and now we are going to press the up button and the select button simultaneously for this is a shortcut to see the CT ratio what has been fed on the MFM meter. And by pressing the enter button again, you see the basic settings, phase rotation, software version, serial number, and diagnostics. This is diagnostics, and again this is alarm, and here there is no alarm, and this is counters, and here you can see the phase angles. This is current phase angles, and this is the voltage phase angles. Again now let's get back to the main menu. Now we are going to the main setup menu where you can review the settings, but you cannot change. You can only see the what the settings have been fed there. Starting with the basic settings, you can see the hour time where you can set you only see here the date, time, and the day, and 4LN3 means 4 wire 3 element star connection where 3 CTs and 3 PTs are used. See here in the screenshot of the wiring going up, you can see PT here which is fed at 60:1, and this is the CT which is 75, and you can see here the free. Now going back to the sub menu, you can here see the protocol. This are the communication protocol. Here RS485 is used via Modbus RTU communication for SCADA system and our PLC system for remote reviews. We can see here the update refresh rate and the scroll, and this are the return, and this is the see here this is the 49 amps is set, which is the reference. 49 is our full load current. If you want to set the bar graph, you have to set the full load current of your equipment. You can see press select button twice and you will enter into the menu setting where you can actually change the settings you see. Going to the basic setting, you can see the configuration wiring configuration, and I am going to manipulate it. This is 2 wire 2 PT and 2 CT connection. Again back to our normal, and now this is the PT ratio section where you can change the every setting. So basically you don't need to do that. If you know really what you are doing, then you can do, but don't change these settings, otherwise you may lose your factory default settings. Guys, this is not a detailed description, this is just a very brief description of how to see the settings that were fed, and how to change the settings if you need to change the CT and PT ratios and the dates. So hope this will help you to understand how to done this.